Well,
Action release.
there isn't one. Just
Trigger?
Safety. I didn't cock it yet. There we go. That's just cool.
Alright, I'll finish loading these now that we got the right ones out.
That's just cool. You wanna try?
Yeah, I'm alright. That's a wild looking thing.
I like it.
That's ready for the zombie attack.
That's exactly what it is.
The Walking Dead, episode 5.
That's right.
I just started watching. I bought episode 1 the other day. Man, I like it. A friend of mine recommended it.
Season 3 starts in October. You have to yell it.
It's on A&E, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Paid
Yeah.
channel. Okay.
Got Hell on Wheels in
Oh,
August.
is it Annie?
AMC.
AMC.
Okay.
Yeah, we got Hell on Wheels in August.
Want to set up targets? Does anybody want to set up?